Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be making a classic Spanish recipe called tortilla de patata. It's a simple recipe, it uses just 3 ingredients, but I guarantee you're going to absolutely love it. So let's get started. We start by peeling the potatoes and cutting them into even squares before gently frying them until soft. We then dice our onions finely and cook them separately. Bit of oil into the pan, then onions straight in. Cook until soft and transparent. Crack open 6 eggs and beat well. Be sure to strain the potatoes and onions, removing all the excess oil. So now we're ready to bring everything together. We place the strained potatoes and onions into the eggs and gently mix. Try a little and then season to your liking. So now that that's seasoned, we go back onto the heat. Pour everything into the pan on a low heat and cook initially as if you were making scrambled eggs. Once the middle has set, use the spatula to gently shape the tortilla. Using a plate, we carefully flip this over onto itself. No fear. It might seem scary, but it's not that bad. We add a little bit more oil to the pan and continue to gently cook the other side. So how can you tell if it's cooked all the way through? Just cut in a small incision and check. Finally, using a clean plate, we flip this again and then we're done. So that's our tortilla de patata. I hope you enjoyed the class and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye bye.